Last Sunday, my brother told me some news. He said, I have a good news. A good news? Oh my God, this story has so many mistakes. How is everyone supposed to learn English with all these mistakes? What should I do? Chance to correct them.
Whoa! You've got a
Who
book
are you?
full of mistakes, Martina. I must warn you, this book is under a serious spell. We can't leave it like this. Let me help you fix these errors with some magic.
Oh, really? But how about we do it together with the help of you, the viewers?
I have a good news. Wrong. We never say "e" with news because it is uncountable. News is uncountable. So the correct answer is
I have good news.
I'm married with a doctor. It's quite wrong. We should say
I'm married to a doctor.
I didn't sure what to do. Use wasn't instead of didn't. So the correct answer is
I wasn't sure, right?
I lost the bus. That is completely wrong. You don't lose the bus, you miss it. So the correct answer is
I missed the bus.
You speak good. That's wrong because we need an adverb here, okay? What's the correct answer?
He speaks English well. He speaks English good. He speaks English well. Use adverb here.
I need to go to home. To home? Incorrect. Don't use to before the word home. So the correct answer is
I need to go home. To go home. What's wrong with this sentence? Help me.
This is correct. Not everything in the story is wrong.
Wow.
Where did you born? Always use where in the question. So, the correct answer is
Where were you born? Where you born?
I worked here since 2 years. In English, we use for to talk about a specific duration of time, how long something has been happened. On the other hand, since is used to talk about starting point of an action or event. So here, the correct answer is
I worked here for 2 years.
I agree with them. I agree with them. Always use agree without am. I agree. We need a subject verb here.
I agree with them. I agree with them.
She doesn't hear me. That can be also correct, but if you mean she didn't understand or notice you, say,
she doesn't listen to me. She doesn't listen to me. Aw, thank you, Miss Magic. That was so helpful.
No problem. Bye. Bye.
Let's recap the correct sentences. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep practicing
and let the magic of learning guide you.